Senate Committee on State and Local Government Administration don commend the chairman of Eghe Local Government Council, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, for the better work she dey do as she dey build and put for ground ogbonge project wey go improve and impact the lives of the people of Eghe. Leader of inspection of projects done for local government by Council Chairman Engineer Kayode Adebayo talk this one after them do check of some completed and ongoing projects by Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia. Engineer Kayode Adebayo come talk say the mandate of the Senate Committee on State and Local Administration na to go around the local government for Naija to check projects wey the council chairman don do for the nomination of the Nigerian Local Government Council Chairman Award.
We are here on the mandate of the Senate Committee and serving under the very leadership of distinguished Senator Eghe. And this from Adamawa State, the chairman leading the Senate Committee on State and Local Government Administration. Our mandate, Mr. Chairman, is to go around with a view of fairly reviewing the colleagues to make nominations of the Nigerian Local Government Development Award. The local government is a very strategic government, is very important because of the process to the people at the grassroots, and it is expected that effort at strengthening the local government system. And the Senate Committee of State and Local Government have been on top of their effort at agitating for local government to be better strengthened, for financial autonomy to be granted to the community. And it's in that wisdom that they have also given this mandate because the Nigerian Local Government Summit is one of the design of the committee yearly by which they bring all the stakeholders together to deliberate on things that can improve the government system. The climate of the summit is always an award presentation to deserving local government from the various councils in the state of the federation. It is believed that when someone is doing well and you come from that height to encourage us to applaud what he or she is doing at the grassroots level, what we want is that person to do more and do more and do more. Because when you say congratulations, congratulations is for asking you for more.
Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia come carry the committee members round on tour to take see some of her major projects wey she don do, like the Eghe Cottage Hospital wey dey currently under construction, among others.
So this is going to be the office of the CMD. This is like the reception. And this side there is the office. Then this is an air building. I was showing it to you from the outside. Yes, it has a double. So you can see that it has a double wall. So we are going to isolate the wall. Just a small extra room. But when something is too big, then we take it to other hospitals. So this is the male toilet. Because what they were doing, so we have here now we have 2 toilets and two bathrooms. This is the main toilet for the main ward. So this is the main ward here. This is going to be the main ward. Yes, let me just from here describe because we can't go through where they are working now. That room is a consultation room, doctor consulting room. This for the children. This is going to be like a small playing ground for the children. Yes. So then here is going to be the accounting department. That is the reception. Yes. Maybe later we go at the start the reception. There's a ramp there. So in case you bring somebody with an ambulance, so they can just go through the reception. So here is the pharmacy. Here's going to be the pharmacy. Then here is the treatment room. Then this place is going to be the matron office. Okay, you just did that place. Where is that the eye clinic? Yeah. That's the eye clinic.
Yeah, this is eye clinic.
Eye clinic. Yes. And here is where? This is the lab. Here is the lab. You don't have hot water and cold water. So where other staffs we use one bathroom and one toilet, then this will be general. Then the female has their own section as well. Where is this?
Like
Okay, this is going to be the situation room. So we're going to have cameras. So this is going to be the situation room where all the cameras are going to be watching. Yes. Then this is a small store. A small store. Just a small store. This is going to be the kitchen. So this is the canteen. Here, this is the canteen. Where you can bring your food and eat, and people in the hospital, they want to eat, they can bring their food here and eat. So this is the second courtyard. This is another courtyard. We call here the doctor's lodge. So in this place, the doctor's lodge, because we are having a 24-hour doctor. Okay. So we are going to have a 24-hour doctor. He has a bathroom, he has a store, a kitchen, and a store, and maybe 2 beds for relaxation in case we have a doctor throughout the night. So this is going to be the laundry room. It's going to be the laundry room. What we are putting there is the generator house. Then we are going to build something small here. It's just going to be like a small cubicle for security. But there's already a security house outside. But here we just be another one, an internal security. Because we have to have a security 24 hours from the day. In that security house that we have already built, that one has a kitchen, it has a toilet, 2 toilets. Yes.
After the tour, Engineer Kayode Adebayo Konyan Tori people say the work where Honorable Ogbemudia they do sweet and for belle, and say with the project where he don't see so far, he not today surprised as Honorable Ogbemudia they follow the steps of her papa.
We are grateful for what you are doing here and what we have seen generally. Our commitment, what we are doing around is to document projects and programs of local governments in Edo State with the view of peer reviewing them to see those that are really doing well in the area of impacting on the lives of the people at the grassroots. Like we said in your office, that we are particularly interested in the choice of project. It must be such project that touches the lives of the people. The programs and projects we are doing must be such that is removing pains from the people, that is assisting the people to feel the real impact of governance. We also told you that we're interested in the quality of jobs that is delivered. And of course, that what are your efforts at improving your internally generated revenue and the geographical spread of your project and sectorial spread. And with all we have seen, within a short while that you are back in office under this our review, we are highly impressed. This hospital is very massive.
And it's going to serve about 15 communities.
Yeah, you can imagine without this around here,
yes,
where the people will have to
they have to go to Sapele Road, which is the
before they can access before they can access health facility. Yes. So this is going to make life very easier for people around here.
Yes.
We have seen also your effort, particularly in the area of empowerment, of touching the lives of the needy and assisting. Some of these people you give 50,000 to in the market. It's like establishing a fresh business for them. You'll be shocked that after 5 months, 6 months, 1 year, that 50,000 will still be with them doing business. In fact, there are some people that what they are using to trade and sustain their family is not even up to 50,000. So, and to get that 50,000 is trouble. So for you coming to to meet the needs of those ones at the real grassroots level, that is what governance at the grassroots level, a part of what it's all about. And if life is made easier for people at the grassroots level, most of these challenges, most of our youth that are running outside their localities looking for jobs in this, they will not go. By the time these hospitals is completed, to create job opportunities.
Yes.
Nurses will be here,
yes,
medical personnel will be here, cleaners will be here. It will open up job opportunities. We also saw, look at the people you have engaged on the cleaning the road, the road makers and other areas. There you have created opportunity for them to sustain themselves, and they are doing well. They are doing the job happily and with a lot of determination. After 2 o'clock, we still made them on active, doing the work very actively. So that means they are also happy doing what they are, and the people are happy. Then when you are doing environmental. These areas where you are evacuating refuse, you will not know what you are doing to the people.
Yes.
Because a dirty environment automatically endangers health.
Yes.
So
Cholera
it's more than just removing, evacuating the waste from those locations. You are enhancing the health conditions of the people in the local government. So we have seen a lot of areas where you have taught education. Look at the market, what you are also doing. So we commend your effort and we encourage you to do more. As we said, when you are being honored, the reward is for you to do more. It's a challenge to do more.
Yes.
So we are congratulating you.
Thank you.
We encourage you to continue to do more.
Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor local government area of Edo State, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.